Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to convert JPG to PDF. So let's have a look now. Open the image on your PC, double click on it. It will open an image in Photos app. Click on this browse icon. Hover the mouse on each photo and you will see an empty checkbox. Click on it to select. Once all required photos are selected, then right-click on your mouse. Choose Printer icon from the menu. Click on the Printer drop-down menu. Select Microsoft Print to PDF from the list. Click on the Print button at the bottom. Select a location to save the PDF file and give a file name, and then click on the Save button. So there you go. You have converted your photos in JPG format to PDF file format. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.